announced. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Fine.
Can I?
Yeah, you can start.
Just a second, ma'am.
Okay. Good
Is
morning.
there any issue while other participants need to be here, or only the team participants should be here, ma'am?
Like just now I have addressed already. So other team members, like, it's okay, right? They can listen to the ideas also.
Sure, ma'am. It is
Other teams.
okay.
Okay, let them be. Let them be. If they
Yes,
want,
ma'am.
let them be, or else they can join when their slot is there.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Sinchana, you can start
Good
presenting.
morning. Okay, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. As yesterday, I walked you through the problem statement, our proposed solution, and technical approach on the topic, which is one step career and educational advisor. Today, I'll take you forward, starting from the feasibility, viability of our project, then highlight its impact, research, and backing, and finally showcase a live demo. So, Lokesh, can you screen share? Uh, Lokesh, Abhishek, can you share the screen?
Sinchana, screen is shared. The screen share
Okay,
is
okay. Okay. So you can see the fourth slide, feasibility and viability. Let's first talk about feasibility and viability of our solution, which is a technical feasibility. Our app is lightweight, works on low bandwidth, and rural area, and is open for APIs for courses and scholarships, and is also supportable for cloud scalable on AWS. When it comes to operational feasibility, we can easily collaborate with state education boards and NGOs and school counselors of outreach. Economic viability, if we come to economic viability, our app is low cost and can be supported by government and CSR funds and has potential for a premium, premium counseling model in the future. And when it comes to a social viability, most importantly, it empowers rural and first generational learners and build trust in government colleges. So the solution is not only technically possible but also operationally scalable, economically sustainable, and socially impactful. So next slide. When if we come to impacts and benefits of our project, so for students they make informed choices, reduce confusion and dropouts, and get a personalized career roadmap with the access to free learning sources and scholarships. Parents they gain clarity on value of the courses and future opportunities. So so they feel confident to send their children to their desired courses. And if we come to the government and colleges, this increases the enrollment in government institutions, prevents migration to private colleges, and provides data driven and insights for better academic planning. Then if it for the society, our website is beneficiary for as we nurture skills and confident graduates that improves employability and strengthen the credibility of our public education. So this impact is not just academically improvable, but it's also social, economic, and generational. So next slide. Research and references. So we built this solution on solid research and references. We have researched the reports, which is the All India Survey on Higher Education AISHE 2023, which highlights the enrollment and dropout challenges. And we took the data from that, and NEP 2020, which emphasizes holistic career guidance, and NIT Ayog reports validates the dropout issue after class 10 and 12. So, and we have studied career guide, which can be shiksha.com and Coursera, and we have took the AI recommendation for better usability and personalization. And as for the government data resources, we aligned with the trusted sources like UGC, NCRT, and national scholarship portals.
अंजल
So
मस्कम कर रही
this shows our solution. It's not just a data, and but it's a
जो भी सुन रहा
practical,
है मीटिंग
research-backed, and
जो भी
aligned
मीटिंग
with
सुन रहा है
national education
मस्कम
priorities.
करने बोलो
So now that we have seen the impact and how we have taken the reports, so let's move on to the most important part, which is live demo, which will shared by Lokesh MV. Over to you, Lokesh.
Good. And the mentors present here. So we propose the solution for the problem statement, one-stop solution for education and career gaps. So this is the home page of our website. In this, we are just introducing our website to the users. We are bridging the gap, education gap in Jammu and Kashmir. So in Jammu and Kashmir, there is a 40 to 50% enrollment decline in the higher education. So for addressing this problem, we are presenting this website as solution. And we have to understand the enrollment crisis. So 25% of students only joined the higher education after 10th and 12th. So 50,000 plus students are uh, admitted to higher education annually. So 13,000 actually join the colleges, and 40 to 50% decline in the admission rate. So because of this, we have to analyze the root cause. In this, there is a root cause of awareness gap, their lack of information and lack of awareness for them, and decision confusion. After that, which subject we have to take, they have the problem, and we have to make the valuable courses for them. We don't just offer the normal theory courses, but we also have to provide them the with the skills courses. From career confusion to career clarity, in this we have to add some mentors to contact with. In complete solution architecture, we have included the AI powered assessment and career path mapping, and a college directory for them to choose the colleges. In this, we can discover local colleges. So in all regions, we have to select the region. It is related to Jammu and Kashmir, so we are referring Jammu division and all districts, Srinagar, and the stream is medicine, and
हम्म अरे बा वो अभी दिखा रहा है वो मैं क्या करूं मैं
we have to
डेल्टा
find
हुआ
college. In this result, we have NIT Srinagar, GCET Jammu, and University of Kashmir as the result. So this is the discover local colleges section. In this, we have some motivational videos to educate and empower them, and we can chatbot go direct ಹೌದಾ? We have to register first to enter the chatbot section. So
बोला मैंने
we are entering the details.
जन ಸುಮ್ಮನಾದವ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾನೆ
After that, your account has created, and it shows the recent activity of you done. So in this career aptitude assessment, programming project, and interest mapping quiz, let's
ನಾಲ್ಕಕ್ಕ
take one
ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಜಮ್ಮು ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರ ಕಡೆ
career mapping
ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ है वो
aptitude quiz.
हाँ हाँ वही बोल रहा हूँ मैं
In this, we can attend the aptitude test.
ಏ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹೊಡಿತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇಗ ಬೋಳಿ ಮಗನೇ
Also, it gives the result, and
Here the
we
question
can,
always remains the same, or there will be changes in the question.
ma'am.
questions will always be the same questions, or the question will get jumble, or new questions will arise?
For our demo purpose, we have included less questions, ma'am. But in actual, we
I'm
have to
not
implement
asking about
more.
number of questions. I'm asking about if we take the quiz once again, the question will remain same.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ये किस पर नो बोल रहा
Yes
है
sir, no.
लोकी यस बोल रहे सिंचन नो बोल रहे हैं लोकी बराबर बोल रहे
So the
सिंचन बोलने का
actual question is no, sir, because we for the perfect guess, we have to present the same quiz again and again.
So if once again, if I re-attend the exam, I can answer all of them.
माँ की चोट
You can answer, ma'am. But you are unsure about your specifications, you can contact with the mentors, ma'am.
अरे चुप बेटा वो
And we also integrated the chatbot for the students, ma'am. This is in development phase. So,
How our data will be secured in this
सेव होगा
website?
recording
Personal
process
data like
personal,
mobile number, email IDs, and other things.
sir, this can be deployed government itself. So the data will be safer because every government website will be taken over by NIC, National Informatics Center. So we use local databases.
Okay.
ನಾಗ
So this is the our proposed solutions.
ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡುತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನೇ ಆದಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಮೈಕ್ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿನಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ
Sir,
मेरा डाला तो उस पे
Yes, please go on.
सुन
sir completed.
ब्लॉकचेन तो डाल सकता है कैसे डाल वेब पेज बना के लिंक छोड़ो बटन वो बटन पे क्लिक करते ब्लॉक पेज पर रिडायरेक्ट हो जाता
Sir, we have completed our demos.
Okay, okay, got it. So what is that achievements like when that will be updated?
Further data, ma'am, within 1 week we will update.
No, no, like I'm
What is the
asking.
feasibility you are going to provide for this website?
Sir, can you
How you
please?
reach the students?
Sir, can you repeat the question?
How feasibility you are going to adopt this website?
है
Open ಮಾಡಿ PPT. Sir, we have technical feasibility, so it is a lightweight tech stack. We used lightweight tech stack, sir, and existing open APIs for fetching the colleges, courses, and scholarships, and we have to deploy this in AWS or GCP. As operational feasibility, it will collaborate with the education boards and NGOs, sir.
Okay.
Okay, Lokesh,
Okay,
you are the UI. Show us the code part. Can you explain us the logic?
Start ಮಾಡು ಹೇಳು
ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿದೆ
ಫೋನ್ ಆನ್ ಇದೆ.
In this main section, ma'am, we contain the components like chartboard, dashboard, landing section, all the further contents. Where we are going to use like chartboard means the chartboard contain all the informations. For further information, we can
Why
implement the
React.js?
code, ma'am.
Why app.js?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
the laptop screen is sharing. This is the source code for our website, ma'am.
Okay, which language have you used?
JavaScript, ma'am.
TX is
Okay.
JavaScript. TypeScript. वो JavaScript ना कहते हैं बोली मगा TXX ना माचा एक्सेस पूछेंगे
Fine, just go back to the like demo section. There was I just asked achievements. Achievements anta like when that will be updated. Like whether it will like if the person is scoring above that percentage, that achievements will be given or what? What is that? Why have you included over
No,
there?
ma'am. When we complete the profile, that asks the detail about our education and like LinkedIn, we are updating the about section. Like this, we have to describe ourselves in that profile, ma'am. Detail exam, we have the section that you are nearer to the goal. So like that, we have to um, show the achievements for them. Open, madam.
Okay, okay. Lokesh, unmute.
We have career interest section, ma'am. In this, we have to fill the profile information for the and we have to describe the career goals. So if any mentor can contact us, they can easily understand what the career interest we have and the career goals we have.
Uh, Lokesh, when you showed me the implementation part, can you go for the implementation part?
So they are doing
So,
using AI to ask
ma'am, this website is the implementation part.
I'm asking the backend code logic.
Logic. Code open.
Sana software. ಬೇ ಅಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೋಡ್ಗಳು ಲೈನ್ಗಳು ಗೊತ್ತಿದಾವಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ
Sir, we are sharing screen with another laptop, sir.
ಲೈನ್ಸ್
Ma'am,
You
in this,
generated the UI or just you used the AI to generate your UI?
no, ma'am, we generated the UI with some bit help on information of GPT.
Because I can see the bolt extension over there, UI generator, using UI generator.
Yes, ma'am, we generated the UI, but we have extracted that, ma'am.
बे क्या करता है राहुल देख क्या प्लीज कंफर्म चेंजेस और अपलोड सक्सेसफुली करेंगे तू चेंजेस करने को एक्सेप्ट करो क्या कर रहा है एरर सब सेव्ड है
Okay. Manjunath sir, if you have any doubts regarding implementation, you can ask, sir.
Lokesh, career purpose, there are so many applications is there, no? So what's the main
Yes, sir.
difference between the application education gap like career purpose? Like
Sir, this is
how like
this
how the
will be
what
the
is what do
website
you mean?
provided by the government, sir.
This is only.
They accept us. If they accept us our solution,
Hmm.
they have to deploy it as government website, sir.
Oh,
So
no, but
everyone
we
has
choose
some.
only for JavaScript only. Is there any another script?
based on the
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, in this we haven't developed the complete backend, sir. So for that purpose, we use the basic just JavaScript to present our ideas.
And I want to know, Lokesh, how much you have generated the code from AI and how much part of the data is your handwritten code? I feel like everything is AI generated.
ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲೈಸರ್ ನೀನ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್
Now
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
we have taken help from AI.
ಇದೊಂದು ನಾನು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇದೊಂದು ಬೇರೆ
We have to optimize the solution. We have some basic solution for the optimization purpose. We
ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಂಗೆ
reference to the GPTs.
ಜಲ್ದಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ कर ए वो ऑफलाइन मत कर उसको, टर्मिनल ऑफलाइन मत कर उसका.
Every part of code also we have referenced with GPTs, ma'am, for the optimization purpose.
कंप्रेस करके पूरा नोड मॉड्यूल उठा के दे रहा हूँ. ओके npm स्टार्ट npm रन डे होइते स्टार्ट ಇಲ್ಲ.
How much rating will you give for your project?
ए सुन क्वेश्चन सुन.
Ma'am, out of
क्या क्वेश्चन? हाउ मच रेटिंग विल यू गिव फॉर योर प्रोजेक्ट? जो हमने पूछा था ना उस दिन.
ma'am, out of 10 or 100.
मैडम को बोला, मैडम खुद पूछी. मैं बोने को बोला.
So, out of
Out of 10 or 100.
out of 10,
Out of 10, I will give some 4 out of 10, ma'am.
what about the scalability? How many students can access it simultaneously?
ನಾವೇನಾರ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಡಿಫೈನ್
Ma'am,
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮಾಡಿ
after developing the backend, we can say, ma'am, after
ಹಂಗಾಗಿ 7 अरे सुन तो ले
where
कुछ लॉजिक
include the database.
If you deploy this in the society, what do you think? How much it will help for the society?
It will help them so much, ma'am.
Other teammates can also answer. I'm not asking only for the Lokesh.
Also, the UI, I think it's not allowable to all the users, ma'am, because they are well versed with the traditional UI, ma'am.
Okay. In what percentage you think your project will help for the society?
Ma'am, it will help the society definitely, ma'am.
Adhe, tell me the percentage. How much you think?
Ma'am, if we implement it correctly, it can 100% help for the society, ma'am.
100%.
But you
Yes,
can
ma'am. If we
develop
implement
only
it
for
in
Jammu
correct
Kashmir,
manner.
right?
Yes, sir.
But what about worldwide or India?
ए मंजू क्या पूछ रहा हूँ मैं?
So so if we develop and deploy in Jammu Kashmir, so other states can also implement this after some trials.
Okay.
400 MB बेस मॉड्यूल 150 MB का लेता हो चुके की तरह. बे मैं 41 MB तो कंप्रेस करा उसको. कंप्रेस नहीं करना था तेरे को, सिर्फ रार बनाना था. नेक्स्ट टाइम कौन से पे रावड़ी की टीम होनी चाहिए. क्या नहीं करना मैं तो सुन मेरा लौड़ा. काटो आर्किटेक्ट स्ट्रक होगा हमने. काटो आर्किटेक्ट उसको ये कर, कंप्रेशन मेथड देगा उसको ये स्टोर कर.
Okay, next team.
Thank you, ma'am.
ये कौन सा टीम है बोलो बा, ग्रुप पे डालना है. बच्चे नहीं आते हैं, चूतिया है बच्चे. श्रावणी एंड टीम usage ascendant. ನಿತ್ಯ ನಾನು ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲೂಟೂತ್ ದಬ್ಬ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅನಂತಪ್ಪ ದಬ್ಬಿಡು ಹೊರಗೆ ದಬ್ಬಿಡು. इससे कर तो क्या बोलते हैं मोबाइल से सीधे तो उसको पे कर उसमें अपलोड
Bro,
करना
name
फिर
क्या
उधर
है?
डाउनलोड करना
Bro, name इनको ले के
ये ना
name.
ये ना
हाँ
बोलो
बोलो अच्छे.
ये ना और फोटो शाके तू
Wild collectors.
पोंगो आयुर्वेदिक
AI
ट्रिगर्स
AI support for wild collectors. Ah,
ತುಂಬ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರ ಅದ್ರ ಬಟನ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ನೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು
ಅದು ಬಿಡು ಅದು support for wild collectors.
कितना परसेंटेज ये यूज किया बा 30% बा
ಏನು? हाँ,
कितना परसेंट ये यूज किया पूछते हो ना क्वेश्चन 40 हाँ
30 कर परसेंट करके नहीं बोलेंगे हम लोग सर्टेन कंपोनेंट्स के लिए AI यूज करेगा फिर भी. हाँ,
ओके डन
सर ये भी कह सकते हैं हम ये इसलिए यूज किए ताकि हमारा प्रोसेस
वर्क एफिशिएंसी
ज्यादा हो हमारा सब कोड को हम ऐसा रॉ कोड नहीं लिख सकता इसलिए हम उसको यूज करके
हाँ तब
बैकएंड कोड हमने लिखा है जो भी यूजर इंटरफेस फ्रंट एंड है वो हम लोग ने जनरेट करवाया है मेजॉरिटी जनरेट नहीं करवाया बस यूजर इंटरफेस किया है बाकी जो भी कंपोनेंट्स है वो सब हमने किया है. अगर हम यूआई इंटरफेस को उसको जनरेट किए करने के लिए बोला तो भी वो
ए स्टार्ट करो बा
ऑप्टिमाइज करना चाहिए ऐसे कुछ बोल.
Good morning, everyone. We are Team Control All Telex, and our problem statement is telemedicine access for rural healthcare in Nava under the Meditech and Health Tech team. Nava is a rural city in the Punjab. Especially, it faces many problems like that rural areas face a shortage of doctors, poor medicine, and poor connectivity in high travel costs. Our aim is to build a scalable telemedicine solution that bridges the healthcare gap.
ಪಿಪಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ
Solution overview. Our
Shravani,
solution
switch
is
on the
an
camera.
AI powered.
Who are presenting, you have to switch on the camera while presenting.
Yes, ma'am. Our solution is an AI-powered rural telemedicine platform. Key features includes in our app is a multilingual telemedicine app that works in a local language.
बच्ची को बोल रहा क्या
Video
करना है
consultation optimizer for a low bandwidth areas. Digital health records that can be stored offline and
तेजस पूछती
real-time medicine availability from nearby
ಆಮೇಲೆ
pharmacies
ಇವತ್ತು
via
ನಿಂತಿದ್ದು
a
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಿದ್ದದ
dashboard, SMS or USSD. E-prescription generated digitally, simple registration through other phone or email, and AI symptoms checker and early disease
बोलो बच्ची
detection.
को रेडी होने बोल थोड़ा
ब्रो इसमें फुल फुल करेंगे फुल करेंगे ये बोलो तो वाइल्ड कलेक्टर्स ओके ना ये डिस्कशन आपका ये
So the technical approach, it's technically our platform is designed to be robust and scalable. The front end app is built using Flutter, supporting cross-platform use with offline features, and the backend uses Django REST framework and PostgreSQL with Redis for coaching and Node.js and real-time communication. And for security, we use Firebase authentication with O authentication 2 and JWT with other eKYCs. And for video consultations, we enable through WebRTC or discrete SDK. But unfortunately, we make it possible with Zigo Cloud and optimization for low internet speeds. And for offline storages, we used SQLite or SQLite, and we can also use a Hive for that. But SQLite is more feasible for use, and the notifications are handled through Firebase and SMS
क्रिएटिव में वो
gateways, and finally we connect the government APIs like Aishman Bharat and eSanjeevani.
Feasibility and viability. Our solution is both feasible and practical. Telemedicine adoption in India is growing at 31%. The offline first app design ensures accessibility even with a weak internet. Multilingual and voice to text feature make it friendly for low literacy users. We also address major challenges: poor internet which solved with SMS fallback, privacy concern solved with encryption and Aadhaar based KYC, adoption barriers solved by integrating ASHA workers and ANM health workers.
Over to Vinayaka.
Is it a REST API or a REST framework?
Ma'am, we also used, we currently developed via API, ma'am, and further we introduced REST for that, ma'am.
Impacts and benefits of our telemedicine app. Patients save the time and money by avoiding the unnecessary travel. Daily wage earners reduce the financial strain. Medicine can be checked for availability before traveling or not. Doctors' workload is reduced with AI trigger and chatbot support. Health data is stored and maintained even offline. Benefits of our app. Patients gain better access and cost savings also. Doctors handle less load and can issue the digital prescription. Government benefits from a scalable solution integrated with national health system. Communities see the improved healthcare outcomes and higher productivity.
In research and representation of the government of Punjab Health States in Naba, one civil hospital in 11 doctors from the sensitivity and post serving in 173 villages. In telephone sensitivity, only 31% is in a Punjab rural areas in internet accesses, and telemedicine is India marketing report in compound annual growth rate system awareness 2020 to 25 from 31% is only marketing report, and sources of the research: government of health reports in a WHO Women Health Organization system, from digital health guidelines, news and articles from the resources and takens.
ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅದು ತಕ್ಕೊಡೋದಂತೆ.
Ma'am, this is our, uh, it is a cross-platform Flutter app, ma'am. So this includes the onboarding section with the welcoming page. After we get started, we have a page like this, ma'am. So here, while the patient or doctor can register, if a patient come to our app and register here, ma'am, so this is a login page, and if he wants to register here, ma'am, he needs to add their full name, date of birth and gender, age, with their contact information and identification through other, and address and emergencies, and we have location and emergency contact number if in case the patient is completely ill or is in danger situation, ma'am. And this is security containing passwords. So this complete authentication is made through Firebase authentications, ma'am. And they can log in through Google or Apple because this is cross-platform app, ma'am. If in case they forget their passwords, they can reset through email. Further, we put via phone number also, ma'am. And next,
Did you use any
its
database
dashboard.
here?
Ma'am?
Did you use any database here?
No, ma'am.
To store the content?
Actually, Firebase containing,
जो डॉक्यूमेंट लीक हो रहा है वेरीफाई करता वो
ma'am,
बिल्ड करती है ना वरना तुम्हारा अब तक का प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन
Firebase containing like this, ma'am, inbuilt
मेरा नेटवर्क नहीं आ
databases,
रहा
ma'am.
शांति बैठो और कौन
Why
डाउनलोड
you
कर
are
रहा है
using that one only?
पूछने साले कितना वर्किंग है करते हैं इसलिए मैं लाइक ब्लॉकचेन का दिखा रहा हूँ वो एआई मॉडल रेडी हुआ तेरा जो भी क्यूआर स्कैनर है वो लिखेंगे कोड पार्ट है कोड पे क्या
It
ತರ್ಸ್ಲಿ ಮೋಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ ಏನು ಅಲ್ಲ ಕೋಡ್
stores the information
ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ
of logins
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ
Shravani, I think there's a
if anyone
I'm unable to listen to you.
signed in. Here there's
ಅಫಾ तुम्हारा यूआई है ना यूजर इंटरफेस ಓಕೆ
ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಬೈ ನೋಡು ಬೈ ನನ್ನ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾರ್ದು
ಮಚ್ಚಾಟ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನಾನು ಎದ್ದು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ
ma'am.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಂದು ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದ್ದು ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ
And
There is
because
a break in your voice.
ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಐತ್ ಬಿಡು
its security is
It is not audible.
much more better, ma'am, when compared to others, and
ಏನಾ
it is
ಯಾಕೆ ಟಚಕ್ ಪಚಕ್ ಯಾಕಂತ
much more easy to
ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು
maintain the database, ma'am.
How they are providing the security?
ಬ್ರೋ ಇವತ್ತು ಏನಂತಪ್ಪ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ
ಬೈ ನಾ
As you said, the security is more, right? How they are providing the security?
ಫೈಲ್ಸ್
And this is
Q3 Q3
the
ಅಂದ್ರಾಗ npm ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೋತಾನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೈತೆ npm ರನ್
welcome dashboard, ma'am. Currently we added
ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಿಳಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಪೈಸೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರಾ ಕ್ಯೂಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್
AI
ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ
ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಕ್ಕಿದು ಎರಡರೂ ಬರ್ತತೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು
ಬಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನಮ್ದು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಾಕಿಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಖ ಚಾಲು ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡು ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡು ನೀನು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡು
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಫೋನ್
वाट्सएप बंद की गई क्या
ಬಹಳ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಇವಾಗ ತಗೋತಾ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಟ್ರೇಸಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಬಟನ್ ಅಂತ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರೋಟೋಟೈಪ್ ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಬಟನ್ ಒತ್ತಾ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ
Ma'am, some networks are issues, ma'am.
ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ
Okay, next team. Third team can start the demo.
ಟೀಮ್ ನಮ್ದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್
ನಮ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿನ ಚಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಟೀಮ್
ಹಾ मैं उन्हें काम स्पेशल कर दिखा कि खाली यूआई दिखा सभी अब तक
दोनों की दोनों टीम यूआई दिखाई
मगर श्रावणी
फायर बेस दिखाई मैडम वल्नरेबिलिटी कैसे दिखाते हैं
बैक एंड रन का एक चीज भी दिखाई नहीं हमारा क्यूआर है गेम भी श्रावणी बनाए से यूआई उठाए इसने
एआई है
sorry, ma'am. Sorry for the interference.
तो म्यूट कर बोल रहा हूँ
मैं बात नहीं कर सकता
Ma'am, shall I continue?
Yes, quickly.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So, ma'am, this is video consultation page, and here we can see the medical prescriptions, ma'am, and here we save the health records of the patient, ma'am, and is e-prescription currently we didn't done back in
Screen
that,
share
ma'am, so
got
it is
stopped.
not
We are unable to see the slides.
yes, ma'am.
ಇದು आंट का मैं एक गिटा को कॉल कर लो मैंने कॉल करा उन्हें
Here, ma'am. Ma'am, here medicines will be provided, ma'am, and the records of the patient is saved in this page, ma'am. And next, the prescription, e-prescription is currently unavailable because of backend, ma'am. Further, we update it, ma'am.
मैंने
And
कॉल करा
symptom checker, we used Gemini API for this, ma'am.
मैंने तो कॉल
Here we enter the symptoms of the anything disease or illness, ma'am. So it analyzes and give suggestions for us, ma'am. And this is AI chatbot, ma'am. We can ask anything about our daily activities, ma'am. Here also we included Gemini API, ma'am.
Then we can use directly Gemini API, no? What is the use of your application?
Ma'am, we directly use Gemini API. It is single base, ma'am. So it can't give us e-prescriptions, and we can't check our symptoms, and also we can't take doctor consultations via Gemini API, ma'am. So
If
our
you have
app
so many
helps like
questions,
this.
you can ask Gemini API.
No, sir. If we have questions, we can ask Gemini API, sir. If we want consultations, prescriptions, or anything like advices directly with the doctor, we can't ask with that, sir.
Here you have doctor contact number.
No, sir. We create. Excuse me, sir.
तेरा मुझे क्या दिया है काफी दो लोगों को कांटेक्ट करने के लिए तेरा और मुझे दोनों के दिया है मेरे को
Yes, sir. In a previous get started, if we select doctor login, sir, it heads towards this page, sir, and the doctor needs to register to our app, sir. They need to enter their name, mobile or email addresses, and password with their medical register number, sir, and specialization, year of experiences, and preferred languages. And they also need to upload their documents for us, sir, because we need to verify if they are a real doctor or not, sir. And further, we enhance it with adding the license number of them, sir.
ನನಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಆಲ್ಗೋರಿದಮ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಿತಿನ್ ಈಗ CNN ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ ನೀನು RNN ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈನರ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ
Sir, this is example UIs of Dr. Sir. This is Dr. John Smith. If he's come to our app and toggle it, it shows online, sir. So this notification will be sent to the patient, sir. And these are the waiting patients, sir. So they can confirm their meetings and if we accept or not. If we tap on reschedule, this will be notified to
ಅವರು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಎಂಡ್
the patient. So
ತೋರ್ಸಂತ ಮಗ
depends on
ಎಪಿ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು
the
ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ
patient's
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಮೂರು
time schedule. So into this, we can the doctor can schedule their timings, sir. And as usual, the consultations and here the patient gets the
ನಮ್ಮ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದಲ್ಲಿ ತಲೆ ಬಾಳ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೊಡ್ತಾವ
records of their
API ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ API
health
वो एक टीम हैकाथॉन दे दी थी कैसे दे
and
दी ब्रेव का इंटरफेस चेंज करके हमारे घर पे बोल दी थी वो
ಬ್ರೇವ್ ಕಾ
the
पूरा लाइक फ्लिप कर दिया उन्होंने
doctor also keeps the
उनका गूगल
records of the patients for further
उन्होंने बैक एंड कोड से के सब करने के बाद
any complications
लाइक तो होने के बाद पता चला कि उनको इन्होंने लोग ऐसे करेगा
between patient and
कौन सा इसमें
10 लाख समथिंग लिया
doctor, sir. And the prescription
इंडिया में नहीं हुआ इंडिया में हुआ तो पहले टैक्स लेते चीन वाले और कितना पैसा
here, sir. In
ब्रेव का पूरा इंटरफेस
the previous
पूरा इंटरफेस फ्लिप करा हमने
Shravani, your voice is not audible.
patient dashboard,
Shravani, sit at the place where the network
there
is
is
stable
prescription,
because
sir.
there is a lot of
So doctor
disturbance.
writes the prescription prescription here, sir, and this prescription will be sent to the particular patient of their
Sorry, my bad.
dashboard, sir.
Meeting join I try
And
करते नहीं accept नहीं कर रहा है
virtual AI assistant for the analysis of his ratings
Can you explain
give
the
money,
process?
sir, or else if anyone with us and give service to their patients, they can also take money from the patient, sir. So this is of
Shravani, your voice is not audible to us. Please, can any other person in their group, can you explain the project or we'll go for the next team?
दो टीम के लिए 1 घंटा हुआ अभी
We have time, we have given 10 minutes for each team, but it's already 20 minutes for this team. So we'll go for the next team.
आइडिया फेस से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं फिर से बोलो वो
हाँ वही अभी वो हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते उसका
अरे मैम डोंट
रहने दे अभी
वो याद
15
दिलाता
मिनट
हूँ
दे तो ज्यादा मत दो आप लोग कहीं संडे खराब हो जाएगा कहीं
रिक्वेस्ट
तुम लोग उस तरफ भी बैठते हैं
hello, ma'am.
Third team, right?
ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಒಂದೇ ಸತಿ
Hello.
No, ma'am. Second team, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Phone visual camera on her. Next,
Aisha, start quickly.
yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Good morning, all. So we have the problem statement is AI based smart allocation engine for PM internship scheme under the theme of smart automation from Team Ipti. So our idea is to solve the
Aisha,
mismatch
no
of
need
the.
of idea. Directly go for the demo section because we already saw the idea yesterday.
Okay, ma'am. So this is the demo of our app, ma'am. Find your perfect PM internship match. So the process will be we have to enter the profile of candidate profile, then AI will analyze. So we have designed a AI matching algorithm. It will analyze the candidate profile with the internship and provide the direct apply button for it. So when we click the find my match, so here is our candidate profile. Here email or phone number, we will enter all the details accordingly. Qualifications and all the social categories have been included. Location and skills, whatever we have the skills, we can appropriately toggle the skills and the sector interested. And whether post participation tracking also, if we have participated already in the government internships, then we can toggle it right, or we can toggle or we can leave it. When we click on find my match, then it will find you a perfect match.
प्रे
So our website will give 5 different matches with the percentage, 96 percentage. So our profile with the internship details, it matches our strengths and growth opportunities, whatever extra we have to learn, and we can directly apply here in the PM internship portal.
This is of Ministry of Corporate Affairs. So from this we have to go via PM internship portal.
Durability test.
So here by logging in into this, we can take the internships. In case the student did not find the internship or he is not satisfied with the internship provided by our website, then they have two options: improving your skills and updating the profile. So when we click on to improving our skills, we have made a personalized roadmap, a AI career advisor, a personalized chatbot in which we can just choose appropriate sector and we can give
For the prototype condition, we have created the data and we are showing
we can ask for a roadmap for that so that it generates a detailed roadmap, timeline, and what to learn, why to learn this, and in which resources we can find. It recommends us the courses and website portals, and we have made free courses and expert mentors also. In free courses, we have add NPTEL, Swayam, Coursera, YouTube, Infosys, Springboard, and EDX. Here, main courses we have added, and if you want brief, we can check into that, and we can complete our courses. Then we have also added connect with mentors. So for candidates, whoever are individually interested, for example, volunteers, NGO professionals, college professors, company employees, they can connect with our mentorship, and they can teach our students, teach our or give mentorship for the candidates. They will be provided with the badges like gold mentor, platinum mentor, silver mentor, according to their performance, which will give them ranks. This will be given by PM internship scheme holders only. Next, we have made a PM internship dashboard, total internships, and according to the social categories across India, how many internships are there. And if you want to briefly check, we can check marking into appropriate state. We can see the distribution of the categories, and of whoever will join our app and get the internships, their success stories will be shared here. So this is about our website.
What is the unique feature or logic that will highlight your project?
Unique feature is it will match. Yeah, we are making a AI matchmaking engine which will properly match with your skills, ma'am. Whatever the skills we will add, it will like no, not accurately, but it will give related. Like different apps will give, just they will give the list of the internships to do, but our app will give the proper match with percentage, with requirements, by side analyzing it will give. And we have made uniquenesses, we have made a proper roadmap. If in case he did not or she did not get the internship with the app, then he can go to roadmap, he can improve his skills with free certificates, with free
Which AI
mentors.
engine you are using here?
Hybrid rule based engine.
Huh?
Hybrid rule based engine, ma'am.
Hybrid?
Rule based engine, ma'am.
Which algorithm does the engine is using to check the match?
And ML algorithm, hybrid engine, rule based engine algorithm, ma'am. Here, a rule engine will strictly match PM scheme. This is from particularly PM internship scheme, ma'am. From there, rule engine will strictly match from PM scheme eligibility. And
I'm observing that you are redirecting the web pages. They are not connected, right?
No, ma'am, they are connected. Connected, ma'am.
See, Aisha, now VTO already developed so like this website only. They provide the internship in their own website to connect the MNC companies. So, what is the use for your website? They already developed, right? The university only developed like this website. They provide so many
Let's
internships and also career purpose things.
So this is particularly focused on PM internship scheme, sir. Like
Okay.
that scheme was started, but they gave 1.53 lakh internships, but candidate participation was only 6%. So for that, that was underdeveloped website. So if we add these features, so participation, like student participation will be more, so that they can participate mainly on PM internship. Like it focuses on all sectors.
It is connected with the government website.
Yes, sir, connected with the government website. Whenever we
Mm.
click here, find my match, it goes to the government
The,
website, sir.
Aisha, and
It
the
is
engine, what?
automatically update, or you can add the internships.
Sir, I didn't get.
It is automatically update if you if PM schemes are getting so many applications is there, no, so sorry, job roles.
Hmm.
So that data you can add, or automatically it will update
No, sir, we have to add. Sir.
in this website.
Yes, sir. Yeah, in this website.
Uh,
If we add, then it will make
Energy saver है shut down PC shut down
charge.
there is no use. They will go directly the PM website.
Sir, it is in under development, sir. PM internship website is in under development, sir. See, sir.
One more thing, like in the front page there is a category section. So how it is related with the internship? Whether you are going to give some concession, or why the category section is included over there?
Category, ma'am, so that fairness will be provided to all, that like particularly OBC students will not, for example, OBC students will not get internships more. SC students will get more internships. So fairness will be there for all. For that, they have been asked us to include category also in problem statement. In problem statement. So
Okay, okay,
and
okay.
it was
Got
the
it.
website.
The engine, what you are used, Aisha? What is the success rate of that engine, and how efficient it is?
Ma'am, like PM internship,
I'm not
real
talking
people,
about internship. I'm talking about the engine, what you have used for matching and all. What is the efficiency or success rate of that engine?
it will match real time, ma'am. Efficiency will be approximately 88, mm, 88 percentage.
Did you check or just you are guessing?
No, ma'am, we checked. Like first we did ML algorithms. We like logistic ML algorithm, decision trees. We all checked everything, ma'am. Like we worked on all. First from basics we went to same input, same output. Then we went to rule based. Then like that we went on upgrading, ma'am. So finally we selected this, ma'am, rule based algorithm. Direct link it is not providing, ma'am, because it's government. No, it's not providing direct link, ma'am. First we have to come for this link. After this, when we click on this, it will go to direct main portal.
Does it storing the student details?
Yes, ma'am, it is storing, ma'am.
So which
Ma'am, for
database
now
you are
we have
using over there?
entered MongoDB. Sorry, ma'am.
Which database you are
Database.
using?
Ma'am, MongoDB.
Huh? Mongo. Why?
MongoDB.
MongoDB.
Ma'am, it is easy and efficient to store, ma'am. In SQL, it is fine SQL.
Show me. Show me the implementation.
चार्जिंग करंट गया तो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन इसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन दिखाना कुछ मैम MongoDB इम्प्लीमेंटेशन मैम यार क्या कुछ मैम
How much percentage of the code you got from AI, and how much percentage is your handwritten here?
मैम almost like whatever one used AI, ma'am, but whatever errors came, we just learnt about it and we debugged it.
तुम लोग वेब 2 का डेटाबेस भी यूज करोगे तो वेब 3 का हाई सिक्योर्ड है इसलिए यूज करोगे।
So when it is available in the public, uh, how it will help for the society? How much do you think? How much it will help for the society? In what percent it will help for the society?
Like ma'am, almost 180% it will help, ma'am. More we have to create awareness and we have to make them to know how to use the website, where to log in, like how to direct the pages. All if we give them that awareness, they will easily use, ma'am.
Scalability of the project
Scalability, maintenance.
means how many students can access your website at a time.
Everyone can access, ma'am.
Then while even the VTO itself is the established university, if you are trying to view the result at a time, so there will be waiting, right? So how can we
Mm.
say everyone can access at a time?
Ma'am,
There
that
will
is
be
what,
some
ma'am, we
limit
have
to the scalability.
um, post participate post participation we have added, ma'am. In that it will show the priority. For example, if we have already participated in that internship, if we have already participated in that government internship, then our priority will be lesser than who have not participated, ma'am. So for like that it will work efficiently. Priority case.
I am from the remote place. How you guide me to use this software or this engine?
From remote.
Ah,
ಅಪ್ಪ ನಮಗೂ ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾಗ್ಬೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ
So there we will first will create awareness. We will say about our website first.
that's what I am asking. How you create the awareness regarding this one?
ಏ ಅಪ್ಪ
Sir, automatically in social media we will share.
ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಕತ್ತಾನವ
College meet
ನನಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ
friends from colleagues, friends, social media.
What is the success rate of this relationships passing?
80%.
ಹಂಗಪ್ಪ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ 21 ಇಯರ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಗೈ
Is it
ವೆಬ್ 3
right?
ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ವೆಬ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದಾನವ
Yes, sir.
ವೆಬ್ 3 ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳು
I didn't think so.
18 to 21 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಇದಾನವ ಅವ ವೆಬ್ 3 ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನು
So
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
for now, PM internship scheme before because many students didn't participated, it has been stopped, sir, for September 2025. If any like in SIS they have given this problem statement, now, sir, if we like develop it, if we give a very clean and neat prototype, then they will use, sir. Then it will be live, now, sir. When we put the candidate profile, it will match lively.
Okay.
ये जा रहा मेरा चार्जिंग. जी इंटर्नशिप स्कीम पे दिखेंगे क्या अंडर डेवलपमेंट में है सर क्वेश्चंस पूछती हूँ इसको क्या क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ मैसेज देख के तो है कि आवाज आ रही है इसकी हम ना
Sana ma'am, Manjunath sir, if any other questions, otherwise let us go for next team.
No more questions, madam.
We can go to
Okay,
the next team.
next team then.
thank you thank you sir
सबकी ऐसी गांड ली जा रही है तो हमारी भी ली जाए ऐसी नहीं बात नहीं क्या भाई तुम कल स्पॉट से मारे
तीन बार मारा मैंने 20 का
3 बार 20 का मारना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं था ज्यादा वेट मारना इंपॉर्टेंट था
ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಹೈಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬೇಕೇನಾ
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಕಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಿದ್ದ ಇಬ್ರು
चुप रहे मैं ये नहीं हूँ क्या बोल वो गोश्त नहीं हूँ मी पार्टिसिपेंट हूँ लावना ಬ್ರಾ ಒಂದ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2286
इनोवर कौन है? इनोवर कौन है?
ಏನೋ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ನಂಗೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆನಾ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮೇಘಶ್ರೀ ಹಾ
क्लासरूम में रहना है
इधर
कॉलेज
डेडिकेशन देख बे यार
देख बेजा बे क्लासरूम में जाके बैठ के कर बा
You are wasting your time, Meghashri. Start quickly.
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತೀನಿ ಬರೀ ನಾನು
We'll give you only 8 minutes like this.
ಮಕ್ಕೈ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಬಂತು ಬಂತು
Good afternoon, everybody. Myself Meghashri, and today we are here for the Smart India Hackathon, and we are representing our team with the uh, topic name has a State Space Mission Nutrition Planner. And today I'm going to explain the what are the things that we are going to do in our project. First thing,
ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ
when the astronauts are planning to go for a space, there
Megha,
will be
Megha, directly go for the demo, Megha,
they have to
because
pack
you know
some
the idea,
certain
right?
things that they can survive there in an efficient manner. So they have to pack food, water, and oxygen are the main needs while they are in the space. So we are giving a planning for them. So instead of taking the same nutrition or the same course meal,
Mega,
they
directly show
can
the demo.
use our website, and we'll be giving us certain plans
Can you
daily.
hear me?
They have to intake this much amount of nutrition so that they can able to
I think you
survive
won't hear.
there. And even though if there are malfunctions and they are not able to
सुनी नहीं रहे दो टीचर्स बोल रहे थे
so they are not able to survive there if the number of days are extended means though, so we are giving a planning for them. So we have to store some food data and the water and the oxygen data inside our website so that we are able to
डेमो
पूजा मैडम टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करे
क्या
पूजा गो टू ये क्या बोलते हैं मेगाश्री गो टू डेमो में प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर्स प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर्स इन चैट मारो
हाँ
मैडम मैसेज आ गई पब्लिकली
बंद करो मैसेज करना है
ये चुप रहे सोना रो रही थी पहले तुमने मेरे को बात नहीं करनी थी
स्टार्टिंग म्यूट बंद हुआ था आई डोंट नो क्या कहाँ से बंद हुआ करके फिर बाद में देखो होस्ट कंट्रोल में म्यूट ऑफ है करके
वही तो चिल्लाया मैं अंकल चालक कर रहा है अंकल
कुमकुम भंडारी
भंडारी ब्रो प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर्स और प्रोडक्ट्स आ रहा
कई तक करते
हो ना तो सारा मैं उठा इसलिए मैं भी उठा
ನಾ ಸಂಡೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕೇನೋ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಏನೋ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ
प्रोडक्ट क्यूआर करके डाल बच भाई
showcase your demo
बात कैसे
time is running out
ಯಾ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಯಾವ ಪಿ ಸಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ಸಕತ್ತದ ಬ್ರೋ ಇದು ಫೈಲ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಕರು
What happened?
ವಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಂದು ಶಿವ ವಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್
so we are not able to join the meeting sir.
ಏ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಐತೆ ಯಾವ ಇಲ್ಲ
Go with the next team.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಮ್
Go for the next team.
Shall we go?
No sir, just a second.
2 minutes. So we'll come back to your team after that. Once the team completes, no need to panic.
Okay ma'am.
We will give. Please connect the next team.
ए तुम्हारा कनेक्ट हो गया है अंकल तेरा ब्लॉकचेन रेडी है कि नहीं देखकर मतलब तुम्हारा वो क्या एनपीएम स्टार्ट फ्रॉम पायरेट्स एनपीएम स्टार्ट है हमारा सिंपल अगर अभी उसको ब्लॉकचेन मेरे से डालने बोला मैं
नेक्स्ट टाइम कौन सा है
प्रॉम्प्ट पायरेट्स दर्शन पी वो नहीं आते मैं भी
उससे छोड़ के
कोड मिलिशिया
ए इसकी बात कर समीर को तू चुप बिठा था मैं बंद करूँ ग्रुप को।
क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ?
कुमार नेक्स्ट टाइम पॉम्पॉइंट से उसके छोड़ के नेक्स्ट
कोड मिलिशिया
गेट स्टार्टेड।
तुम्हारे चाचा का ग्रुप कह रहे
छोड़ दे मिलिशिया कौन है उसे टीम पे?
शंभू। चार्ट नहीं कर रहे बस समीर ये कहते लाल तो दीवाना
छोड़ दे उससे छोड़ के नेक्स्ट कौन सा?
रोने का था
नेक्स्ट कौन सा है?
डबल बैट टच किया। नेक्स्ट है मेटामाइंड आकाश एंटी में वो बाहर में लोगों को अंदर छोड़ करके बोल रहे थे कौन हो?
बे कोई भी रिक्वेस्ट नहीं आ रहा है बे, कहाँ से छोड़ो अंदर में?
Any other team is ready? Please give the demo.
ಏ ತುಲ್ಲಣ್ಣ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡು ಮೊದಲ
ಆಕಾಶ ಒಳಗಿದಾನಲ್ಲ
ಮತ್ ಭಾರ್ಗವ ನಂಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದ
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಳಗಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ್ದು
Rahul, if your team is ready, can you give the demo?
ನನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಪೂಜಾ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
Yes, you can start now. Bhargav, you can start.
One second. ಶೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ.
Guys, please be ready with your presentation.
Good morning, everyone. So we are MetaMinds, consists of 6 members. That is Manogna KV, Akash GR, Arsha M, myself, Ankita M, and Sumant. So
Please go directly
as
to the
we
demo.
have given, okay, sir.
Yeah.
So, sir, this is our platform. That is a homepage of our platform. That is Krishi Saki. This mainly it is a comprehension of AI-driven insights.
बंद कर एक सेकंड।
And it is also a personalized recommendation assistant,
बाकी
and it is
स्क्रीन शेयर
going
कौन
to
सा है?
have the various
उसका
features such as
विंडो का स्क्रीन शेयर वाला
AI assistants, weather insights, and market intelligence, which you are seeing. And it is also going to have a comprehensive farming tools such as to get a farmer diary, message alerts, a knowledge hub, and analytics, etc. And if uh, we are going to access this, um, let me get started.
बे आकाश कैसे दिख रहा देख पहले
जस्ट यूज केस ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಕ
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೈತೆ. Sir, are you able to see our
screen, sir.
Yes, yes.
No, Bhargav, I will see the
Only,
VS
only
Code
this one.
screen. Show me the demo. Like
Link open
I am a
ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೈತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಕೇಳಿ
full
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ
screen
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಸರಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್
क्या
ವೇಟ್
करना है शेयर
click on share with the whole
ಸರಿ
desktop.
ಶೇರ್
Desktop.
ओ मंजू entire screen
one second sir I'll get you
next activity
Bhargav, you should be ready while presenting anything, okay?
नहीं उसके पहले
स्क्रीन शेयर
सब सेटिंग डाल दूंगा शंभू को कॉल मारा
ಹಾಕಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೀಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೈತೆ ನೋಡು
Yes, yes. It is visible.
okay sir so let me start sir
Sure, you go on.
ಕೇಳಬೇಡ ನಂದು ಹಾಕೋದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ
ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಕ್ರೆಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಂದೈತಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ತೋರಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅಪ್
ಮಾಡಿನಿ ಕೊಡು ಯಾವುದು ಎತ್ತಿಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾರ್ದನ್ನ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಳಪ್ಪ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ
So this is basically a dashboard of our of our website. As sir, basically we thought our main project is to build a mobile application, and this is the first step of our first step of that. It is a building website that is a Krushi Saki, and it is going to have the various features that such as dashboard, farmers profile, and it is an as basically it is an hyper personalization website. That means every features in this it is going to access only on that particular profile. That means if consider me as it is going to give only about myself, what are the what features I am going to access, what are the plans, what is going I am going to access right now, that only that particular person's profiles it is going to fetch, and also all the features of this it is going to based on it is basically on that particular profile itself, sir. That means if see,
ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ನು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನಂತ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಹೇಳ ನಾನು
sir, as it is based on the Kerala, some particular location in Kerala such as Wayanad I'm going to give, and it is let me give the primary crop as rice, and uh, in some particular soil type that has clay and rain fed, and let me give the land size of 1, so that it is going to save that particular person's profile. And if any features we are going to access that that particular one's profile that we have built, as I said yesterday in the demo, it is basically a AI assistant. It is here, as you can see, it is I am AI forming assistant. It is going to give that particular one only on that profile. That means let me ask sorry. uh,
ए बोला शंभू
You said voice converter will be something like that.
Yes, ma'am. For in mobile application, it is going to be in that particular way, ma'am. As that time is short, we have built this type of way, and our major theme is to be only in a voice assistance only, ma'am.
So that is
As
what hackathon is, Bhargav.
बोला
You should make
yes, ma'am.
clear about your topic before what in this time limit what we all can build. You should not give the assurance before only that will give the voice assistance and all. Okay, you have to plan accordingly.
ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ಲು
Yes, ma'am.
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
Ma'am,
ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್
as you
Okay,
can see,
okay, continue.
I have given my profile in that it is a Wynot in that profile. The farm location is Wynot, primary crop is rice, and a soil type clay.
ಆಂಟಿ
So
ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
AI assistant has directly fetch that.
ಬೋಡ
Bhargav, what are the key techniques are you recommended for mainly?
ಮೆಸೇಜಾ ಓಕೆ ನೀವು ಬೂದು
Sir, basically we have basically in this we have that disease that crop disease detection and AI assistant for now, sir.
Mhm.
So that in future we are going to add the alerts, knowledge hub, and all this
ಆಲ್ಗರಿದಮ್
in a few in coming time, sir.
Mm. And also,
Bhargav, Bhargav,
what
Sir,
about data
what
sources?
you are going to showcase here?
ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತಾನ
yes, sir. Sir, here have a disease detection for that.
ನಾಗಾರ್ಜುನ ಸರ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕ
Pardon?
ನಾಗಾರ್ಜುನ ಸರ್ ಫೋನ್
Sir,
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕ
we have
ನಾಗಾರ್ಜುನ ಸರ್ ಫೋನ್
implemented
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕ
disease detection.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay, okay, continue.
ಕೊಡು
sir, this is
ಪಿ ಟಿ ಸರ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡು
so it is going to give as it is not a particular crop disease detection or a thing. It is basically on various disease crops disease detection, sir. So this is basically a disease type of paddy, that is a rice crop,
ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ
and it is also going to analyze it,
ಹಾ
sir.
ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ
One
ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ
second.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸೇ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಇದಾವೆ
Bhargav, that is the pictures. What are the
ಸೀರಿಯಸ್
data sources are you
ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್
going
ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ
to
ಬಂದಿರೋ
integrate
ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್
it?
ಎಲ್ಲ
Yes,
ಅದು
sir.
ಹಂಗೆ ಇದಾವೆ
With
Sir,
how
you
much
can see
data?
as the accurate yes, sir. Sir, crop disease detection datasets we have get
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್
and
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ
uh,
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್
trained
ಕಲ್ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಜಾನ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ
Are you
trained in a
using
CNN
any
model,
APIs for data sets, or you can add data sets directly?
and also use the Gemini API. We have taken the APIs from directly from the Gemini, and we have integrated
ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್
this.
ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ
And it can also give in the Malayalam language also, sir. And
Only
uh,
one languages.
as it is based on only on Kerala farmers,
ಬೇ
sir.
ಸಾನಕ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡು ಸಾನಕ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡು
Kerala Kerala farmers, so they can easily access or read Malayalam. So it is also it can also shift the analysis results in Malayalam.
మిస్
It is also giving that particular confidence or accuracy rate,
పూజ మిస్ రిజల్ట్ మిస్
accuracy rate in this.
How much accuracy rate?
So we can as
Yes.
the out of Kerala farmers are going to access, they can
छोड़ के गई उन्हें
access in English. That
We,
particular
we didn't see any result
Kerala
here.
farmers, they can, if they are okay with English, they can go with English.
తమిళలోనే
Sir.
We didn't see any results here. Okay, you
And
have to
another
showcase
one, sir.
that
And
demo.
it is not only on pad. It can also uh, sir.
ದೆಂಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಭಾಗ ದೆಂಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ ಏನೋ ಅಂದ
Sir.
ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲೇವ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ
Nothing, pa. Just continue.
Sir, that analysis pop-up which you got, that is only the result of that analysis, sir, of that crop disease.
Sir,
And
the
where is the
images we
result
can
in that?
watch the analysis result based on that picture. So we are like in English, you can watch the what disease it has been there in the crop.
ಅದಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಣ ಕಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎತ್ಕೊತಾನೆ ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೌದು ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದು क्या क्या बता रहे हैं मालूम यूए में ये डाल
Not getting analysis. Sir, 1 second.
Hello, sir. You can watch the image that consists of disease. We have the image, and we are going to upload it to the our model. So wait for a second. Yes, sir. You can watch that. That is leaf spot.
It is invisible.
It is visible, sir.
Yes, yes.
So we can watch the symptoms and what are the causes for these diseases in especially in this crop. If take any crop based on that, it is going to give the symptoms and the causes, and we can watch the treatment along with the how can we prevent this disease not not should have in our uh, in our crop. So we do have some organic solutions also. You can also watch, sir, over there. So the confidence of this, like the analysis of the picture, there is
confidence of 85%. That means the image was analyzed at 85%. Yeah, that is going to give accurate, yeah, accuracy of 85%, sir. And you can turn on into the Malayalam language, so you can read in Malayalam language if you are comfortable. So we do have for the hackathon we implemented two things, sir. Along with that, we do have updation form profile. Along with that, we need to make for the future scope. There is alert section. We have to implement the alerts based on the nearby crop. Any diseases occur in nearby provinces, so we can get the alerts and reminders. Along with that, sir, we can get the alerts in the price in the price increase of any crop. Along with that the weather, if the any weather conditions was going to
Go for the
going to
implementation
affect the
part.
crops, so we can get the alerts from this
It's o- it's okay. Go for the implementation part.
ma'am?
Go for the implementation part. Show me the implementation part.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
We have already showed the implementation part, that is AI assistant, along with that the disease detection, and we have at this stage itself, and we are going to implement the future scope for alerts and knowledge hub. Along with that, about like activities also. Yeah, there is farm dairy. We are going to in future scope we are going to add the expenses. That means expenditure of the crop. We are going to mention the how much expenditure have been for the crop planted. So
uh, which database you are using to store the data?
ma'am, Superbase, we are going to use this. We are using Superbase as a storing data, ma'am.
Why? Why you are using that one only?
Because it stores the unstructured data, ma'am, in an easy way. So we can understand the database of a user easily, ma'am.
What is the scalability?
Ma'am, uh,
80 to 85%.
what's the scalability? Sorry, ma'am. I don't know what.
Scalability.
Can store authentication.
So one who is explaining, you are not switching on the camera. You have to switch on the camera. So that is the rules, right? So what is the scalability of your project and what is the efficiency?
Efficiency is 98.
Ma'am, efficiency.
ಎಷ್ಟು use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು
Ma'am, we don't know the scalability as per now. Yeah, I will tell the truth, but the efficiency would be the um, based on the like for a personalized format. So we are going to access this website, so or this mobile application. If we implement in Android, we can deploy. So it would be going to help more compared to the any other applications right now, because we are including all the things, not only one feature. So in future it would be we can implement more, ma'am.
So how much it will help to the society?
How much, ma'am? Based on the
What
cost,
percentage?
based on the cost also we are going to
basically it is on the farmers of Kerala, as it is going to give the solutions to their challenges, such as I explained
I just
in
need
the
a
demo session,
percentage. I just need a percentage.
based on
Ma'am, basically,
various
take an example. If we have
challenges it is
like
going to impact,
we need to spray the fertilizer
on that,
tomorrow
and it is also
to
going to
get the alert
give
today itself. So
it is
we
also
are
going
going
to give
to.
the, yes ma'am, it is going to.
It's okay. It's okay. Go for the next team. Next team.
Ma'am, we are ready, ma'am. Team in over.
Okay, start.
You can start. You can start.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗನ ಅವ್ನು ಪುಲ್ಲ
Ma'am, is it visible, ma'am?
Yes.
So our topic is space mission nutrition planner, ma'am. So while the astronauts are going for a space, we have to take the number of astronauts are going and the mission that they are planning to stay in the space, and the oxygen supply and the water supply uh, taking will be taking a data and will be storing it in a files. So as we can see, we can enter number of astronauts are going. So
number of days we are staying in the space, and oxygen efficiency per person, like how much we can use, and oxygen supply in liters, how much we are sending from here to space, and also for water supply how much we are sending. And the main is we can send water and oxygen in what type, like we can use recycle, store or generated. Basically we will send stored or recycled. For a longer days we use recycle water, but in shorter days like 20 to 30 days we use stored water. And oxygen we will use it as a compressed or in a liquid form, but we send in a compressed form. We can mention in as any if there is any allergies or diet restrictions that the person can't, like the body can't suit it. We will mention in the in special health condition like allergy, dust, lactose. Like we can enter anything if they have. Otherwise, uh, otherwise if we Otherwise, next we can give configure crew. In this, we can enter astronaut names like ABC. Next, their age, we can enter their age and weight according to their weight. And we can mention the height also. According to that, the BMI is calculated. We can here also we can mention any health condition to the specific person. After we will give save and next. Next we have to enter another person name and their age, weight, and height in centimeter. The BMI is calculated and save and next. We gave 3 astronauts names like this. will give save and continue. Next, we will give launch mission planning. Configure crew is done, and we will give launch mission planning. After that, we have to mention like what we are taking the food. Like this is fresh fruit. We can add the fresh fruit mix. Like in how many kgs we are taking it to the space. Like 1 to 3 kgs, and fresh vegetables, fresh herbs, and we will take freeze dried, like we will freeze and dried, we'll send it the food, like in how many portions, like 4 portions, and the freeze dried chicken and the dried vegetables and freeze dried fruits. Then thermostabilized, like thermostabilized pasta,
We can't transport the
thermostabilized,
fresh
no?
items, right?
Ma'am?
And due to we can't transport the fresh items, right?
Ma'am, we
And
can transfer, but the validity, there is a validity like 7 days, ma'am. It will stay for 7 days. It is
due to the gravitational force, height, weight, and they all varies, right?
like
There will be
we will remove vacuum, ma'am. We will remove vacuum and send it vacuum free food to the space. Like for fresh fruit, fresh fruits, if we remove vacuum, it will stay for a long period, ma'am. Thermostabilized meat and thermostabilized soup and psychological support food, like we can send the food that is interested to their specific astronaut, their interest, like comfort snacks, favorite taste, and
what
special
you say.
occasional
You
foods.
will supply the items to those astronauts.
No, ma'am. We are sending, like for in this example we are sending 3 astronauts. For each there will be specific interested food or psychologically supporting food, like their sentimental food or the food they get from their home.
If there is no air while packing, the food will get rotten, right? As you
No,
said, in
ma'am.
vacuum, at least you
Yes,
should
ma'am.
have nitrogen.
No, ma'am. If we remove vacuum for some foods, it will won't get rotten. It will stay for. You can see, ma'am, here for fresh food like fruits and all those, it will stay for 7 days if we sent in vacuum.
Ma'am, as we know, Shubhan Shukla took some
Sweet.
sprouts to the aerospace. So we thought we can also send, like there will be a members who is psychological support. Like they can't leave without their home. Ma'am. There will be some sentiment foods for them.
Homesick.
So so if they take that also,
It will be helpful for mentally, and also it can be very useful. Like vitamins also, ma'am. We will send vitamins, supplements, and protein supplements and electrolyte solutions.
These are the data will be varied by the persons that are going, and these are the inputs that we are uh, taken from the ISRO. Like they will be having a plan, ma'am. If they are sending 3 to 4 members, means there will be a specific plan, and they will be sending this much amount of food, but they don't know how to organize it, ma'am. Like they only send the food, but they have to organize it and they have to eat
Specifying specific grams, and for daily per person the portion should be divided. If they vary food also, it should show how many. If they're taking 1 gram also into the space, it varying too much, it takes a lot consumption of fuel. If we use this app, it will shows like how much kg we are taking, the weight. It estimates the weight and shows the total accurate weight of the all food items.
And we can see here the emergency reserve. Like if they are not able to come in within a 30 days, means there will be a percentage, ma'am. Emergency percentage, if we increase it, it will be managed according to the percentage that we are reserved, and it will give only the remaining food for the astronauts, ma'am.
It can be useful in extended days if there is any emergency.
So after that, if we generate a diet plans, we can see
ABC, ma'am. Here in orange section, ABC for this person, the daily requirements are calories is 2,408 calories and protein is 80 grams. And here you can see is weight and all those things. For breakfast, what he should consume like 350 calories. For lunch, 170 calories. For dinner, 170 calories. For snack,
Okay. You can go for next slides, or you can go next phase.
these are the things that we have implemented now. That's it.
Okay, go for the implementation part.
this is the implementation part, ma'am.
So, how much is the originality of your code means? How much it is AI generated and how much it is
150% we took the basic idea from AI, ma'am. We extended the plan to our convenience, like do's and don'ts. We extended to what to add and what to not add in this project. We took some basic things from AI and we added what we want, ma'am.
And as I think, if you are giving the diet plan for astronauts, so that is very crucial matter, right? It's very sensitive matter. How we are going to provide the security for those content, because how many person are going into the space, how many days, and everything. What are their background? Everything they won't give it publicly.
Yes, ma'am.
So how we are going to provide the security for that?
Ma'am, we are, if we implement in a better way, we can hand over this website for the usage of the NASA, ISRO, and all the other space ships.
We can provide in future days. We can provide a security to this website. Like only the authorized person can use. So no data will be misused.
So which algorithm you have used here?
A sorting and filtering algorithm, like for preparing the diet plan for astronauts and dividing it into a equal portion for almost for all staying days and for emergency days also.
Efficiency?
180%, 80 to 75 to 80%.
Any other questions, sir? Yes, sir, Manju.
I said there is no questions, ma'am.
So which database you are using?
Ma'am, we are using JSON and React and local database for storage, like JSON files. We are using JSON and React files.
Just simply one question.
Yes.
How you say that that is efficiency is 88%? How you calculate that?
Efficiency, sir.
You already said no, 88%. Sorry, 75 to 80%, right?
Yes, sir.
How you conclude that? Sir, this thing is not really published till now, and we can't say it will be working very efficiently, sir. And we can't say it is not useful also, useless also. So we are planning to implement this in a better way, sir, so that we are not giving a less or we are not giving a high marks, sir. So we are giving a moderate.
Then on what basis you are concluding that 80%?
Sir, based on
Without knowing anything, okay. If you are saying percentage means you have to forecast previous data or future data, right? Is it correct? Then only
Yes,
you
sir.
decide your model is around this much of efficiency.
Correct.
So till now, this is not has come into the website or any an app. There is not there, sir, and we don't know how
That's why
much.
I am asking you
Yes,
how
sir.
you conclude that percentage.
Sir, based on like if we give all the things for like how many astronauts and how many days, it divide it in very efficient manner. So we thought it works in 75 to 80%.
So we are taking BMI as a calculator,
As a
main motto. As a body mass index, we can give a calories and divide.
Okay. For example, average person consumes 2080 calories, I think so, for
Yes,
the day.
Yes.
Correct.
yes, sir.
On that basis, you have calculated, no? Or
Yes, sir. The persons who are going for the NASA, we calculated like previously how much intake they will take, like how much calories they will be taking per a day. We took the data from the Google and the NASA, and we just
NASA,
calculated on the
for
basis.
example, okay, NASA won't share anything. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it is highly ಏನದು secure data, right?
Duplicate.
Sir, we just calculated in a duplicate data like normal person.
Average, the
Average.
person intakes the food in calories. We took the
Okay,
average.
just general way.
Not a general way, sir. The need of the body in the space, sir. Like for what weight, what intake is better. Like it keeps him very nutrient in all over day without leaving him sick, sir.
Sir, in the form of BMI calculator, the person is belong to underweight or overweight. That
Please turn on your camera. Now explain.
sir, in the form of BMI calculator, height, weight. Regarding that, the person is belong to underweight or overweight. In starting page only, we include that the person is sick in the form of allergies. These are the major things we include, sir.
Okay.
Sir, the efficiency in first intake, how many persons also they take? 100 members also in my app they're showing the daily intake also, sir. Efficiency is also high.
That already I am asking. Okay, how you are concluded? Your teammates are already explained.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, any questions?
No, sir. No, sir. You can go for next team.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. You can start the demo, Bhumika.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am here to explain about our project, Telemedicine Access for Rural Healthcare like NABA. And there is a problems like the due to the illiteracy rate and also some consequences. So to help them, we are building a website, digital
Your
health
voice is
platform
not
to
clear.
connect with any rural families with doctors. Sorry, sir.
Your voice is not clear.
Am I sir?
No.
Just a minute, sir. Sir, am I audible now?
Yes. Directly switch to the demo part.
Vanita starts his demo.
Good afternoon, judges. So I'd like to start with the presentation. Like as we told about our idea yesterday, it's completely designed for places like Naba, where the daily wage workers, there is a huge number of daily wage workers there, and there is no healthcare facilities available to them end to end point. So we thought to connect with them. So we have deployed a website. Here you can see our web page. So uh, it's completely designed for places like Naba. You can see this is the web page we have built. Like in this website, you can access like doctor appointments, online pharmacy, AI assistance, and the health records. So in the appointment section, you will be given with the list of doctors who are available. So yet not no appointments are booked, so all slots are empty. So if any slots are booked, there will be a mark like it's not available. So and you can access n number of doctors available in the hospital. And for when it comes to pharmacy, if you are searching for the particular prescribed medicine, so if you want to search for that, you can just type the name of the medicine, so that you can check whether it is available in Naba or not. And when it comes to AI, we have implemented a chatbot where as we said yesterday, it's completely designed for the people who are less educated or illiterate people. So if they cannot type or communicate or chat with the AI, they can use this AI assistant, so that if they want to if they want to ask anything regarding their health, like if they have some symptoms, they could directly communicate with the AI, and it will give the voice output as per the inputs they have given. And when it comes to health records, we have health records here. For the previous health records, we have if any patient have logged in to this website previously, there will be the visibility of their health reports. So if they want to add any other health report, here you can upload it. And if anybody want to export this health report, and if they want to show it to others, some other doctor, they can take printout of it also.
Instead of explanation of UI, can you explain me the logic?
So I request Shambhulinga to explain the logic.
I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah.
Shambhulinga, please add.
I'm sharing my screen.
It is not visible.
Yeah, but this is our repo, which is built on the Next.js, and which is file-based routing, which supports. We have many routes here: AI chart and other backend APIs and appointment and pharmacy and records. These are all the routes we are going to use. This is our records code which accept the files and stores. The user can extract whenever they want. This is This is the logic, and this is the code of online pharmacy, which used the component of pharmacy section which is wrote under the components. You can see it here, pharmacy section, which all the code written in the TypeScript, which provides safety for the JavaScript, which is statically typed language, and these are the available pharmacy data. We can manipulate these data according to the available medicines. And another is AI is concerned. As AI is concerned, it is a voice chat applications which gonna use open APIs for that. Uh, we are going to use OpenAI APIs. For that, we have to purchase OpenAI's API keys. We This is the website. Here the AI chat application. We can chat it with English or Hindi basically. So many people don't know English, so we implemented Hindi also. मुझे फीवर है, क्या करना चाहिए? It going to process what we said, and it's gonna provide some remedies for that, and it might take some time.
अगर आपको फीवर है तो सबसे पहले आराम करें और खूब पानी पिए। आप हल्के गर्म पानी की बोतल से शरीर को सुखा सकते हैं। नींबू और शहद का गर्म पानी पीना भी फायदेमंद हो सकता है।
It gives sometimes home remedies, and suggests to consult doctor if it's serious conditions. That's it. Is there any questions?
How you guys maintain the doctor's data? They have to. How you guys maintain the doctor's data?
Sir, we are going to encrypt and decrypt whenever we need that.
No. In this search engine, they have to register, or you guys have to feed that.
Sir.
We'll collaborate with the local hospitals.
They have to register, no?
Sir. Whoever the admin will be manage that thing, sir.
Then he has to collect the data from the doctors.
Sir.
Then you guys feed that data to the engine.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
How we are going to use the voice assistants like in 2G or 3G?
Mama, it's
compatible with low bandwidth internet also. That's the main motto behind our project.
It will have the high latency, right?
No, ma'am. It's we built on top of OpenAI.
If it is a low latency, then AI will not work.
No, ma'am. That high computational thing will be done by the OpenAI computers.
What is the novelty of your code, means originality of your code?
Mainly we used only for getting UI file. It's around 30% of AI generated.
Basically, at low latency, AI will not work. Sorry, high latency, AI will not work. We need an high bandwidth. to
Yeah.
work with us in worldwide. So how we are going to balance that?
Uh, for that purpose, we are going to use local audio media, ma'am, which gonna extract the audio and just send the audio, ma'am, extracted audio to OpenAI server. After that, it will process and processed audio will come to our website user.
Then the response will be delayed, right?
Yeah, ma'am. As of now, we are using HTTP, so it's gonna take some time. When we move forward, we are going to use WebSockets, ma'am,
Ma'am,
which
to
will be
resolve
flawless.
this, ma'am, to resolve these kind of problems, we are planning to implement in future like the recorded videos. Like for the particular disease, we are going to record the videos from the doctors and upload in the website so they can access in offline also. So without internet, they can see the videos. So we are planning to implement in the future scope.
And at low latency, I means the security, you can't provide the security, right? At the low bandwidth, the data can be tampered.
Uh,
No, ma'am. The cross origin request will be eliminated, ma'am. We can't do cross request.
Sorry.
We are going to implement course, ma'am, which only gives access to data only if user is correct, ma'am. Co- Cross origin access, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, Manjunath sir, any questions? So what will you give the rating for your project? What will you give the rating for your project? And what is the
Around
scalability of your project?
yeah, ma'am. We can scale however we want using Dockerized container as per the needs.
What about rating?
Rating around 8.5.
How much percentage you think that it will help for the society if it is available?
We don't know exact data, ma'am. It might be around 80 to 85.
Ma'am, for example, like by taking the medical example, if the medicine is not available in the medical, but they have to travel so far for taking the medicine. Instead of traveling so far, they can see earlier in the website so that the medicine is available in that medical or not. So that when there is availability of medicine in the medical, they can travel. Otherwise, they can see when it will be available, so they can the time consumption will be saved, ma'am. So it will be more helpful for the people in the villages like Naba.
Okay.
And in the places like Nabha, there will be like road transportation was not well equipped as compared to other places. So if we implement in the future like video consultancies, it will be much helpful for the people. As as the time is due to less time scale, we thought to implement the appointment, and in the future we'll be implementing live video streaming also, so that they could directly contact with the doctor in cases of post surgeries and all. Like in after post surgeries, patients may not be able to travel in such worst roads. So at that cases, they could contact with the doctors through the video conference itself.
Okay, thank you. Next team.
Okay, next team.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Next teams, please start the demo quickly. You are consuming time to just connect only.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
And switch on the camera who are going to explain. We can't repeat the same thing again and again.
Ma'am. ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ Good afternoon, everyone. We can proceed.
Yes, yes, you can start. We are waiting.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Navya. We are she coders from the Government Engineering College of Kade. Today we will be presenting our project titled Development of a Digital Mental Health Psychological Support System for Students. Mental health challenges such as anxiety, depression, burnout, and stress have been steadily rising among students. Unfortunately, support systems are fragmented, underutilized, often carry stigma. So, in most colleges, especially in rural and semi-urban areas, there is no structured and psychological
Go for demo,
intervention
Naveen.
system.
Go for demo.
Yeah,
We
ma'am.
know the idea. Go for the demo.
Yeah, ma'am. The first in our project, the first feature is our system is a self-assessment tool called Check Your Stress Level. This is a simple questionnaire designed to help students become more self-aware of their stress levels. It acts as a first step in identifying whether they might need relaxation strategies, peer support, and professional counseling. First one, I feel overwhelmed with studies. I have trouble sleeping due to stress. I feel anxiously about exam. I find it hard to relax. I often feel harder pressure. We have to measure uh, the stress level is submit. Yeah, ma'am. We have to. Yes, ma'am. In case your stress level is low, it shows in the desktop. Zero means never, one means sometimes, often, two means often. In case your stress level is high, you should mention five. It is always I am stressful. That's like this future. And next future is explained by Sanjana.
My next features is the first aid box, ma'am. It is not fully a theoretical tool. It gives the basic emotion supports and guidance for the instance. It works like the first aid before professionally counseling the doctor, encouraging the users to book the counseling if they are in stress at high level. Yeah, it how does in this first aid support we were implemented a text input support, voice input support, AI auto reply, and read Aldo options and chat display, ma'am. In the text input support, user can type a message into a textbook. The reply only comes when the user press the send button. This this avoids the confusion of auto triggering the response while they typing. In voice, here we texted how to manage my exam, ma'am. Now I am sending it, ma'am. It gives the response. If we need it in a voice input support, a voice button is available to start speaking recognition. User speaks like I feel stressed today. It shows some it shows some voice input support, ma'am. For example, it will show now, ma'am. AI system is rule based simple form of normal. It takes all kind of stress, depression, anxiety, self. These the kind of keywords we were implemented in the code. So it shows only the about stress, depressions, and anxiety, and help for these conditions only, ma'am. It mainly for mental disorders, ma'am. Next, read Aldo option. Next, it is to each AI response. They are speakers buttons. When pressed the browser text to the speech, it reads the response aloud, and it may also display the chat display, ma'am. Next feature is messages are displayed in the doubles, ma'am, like user message and aligned right, AI message aligned left with the different colors, ma'am. This is all about the AI first aid support, ma'am. Next, booking counseling is continued by Madhu, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. In book counseling, we are adding some characters, name, age, and sex. These are the personal information. Appointment we are also mentioned because they are need which date we can support to the customers, and also um, available doctors we are mentioned, and emails also slot time also we are mentioned here. And if anyone mention our personal details or also the available doctors and book the appointments. You can use to book appointment.
Madhu, you can go for
It
implementation
shows
part.
the appointment. Yes, ma'am. We
You
are
can go for the
also adding
implementation
the
part.
emergency helpline. Yes, ma'am. Implement.
Which engine you are using here?
Ma'am, HTML, CSS and JavaScript, ma'am.
JS.
What algorithm you are using here?
Algorithm.
Explain that JS logic.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, here JavaScript used to store the data, ma'am. In JavaScript, we are storing the data storing, ma'am, because it helps to website dynamically and intelligence. That's why we are using the JavaScript, ma'am. And because stress classification algorithm we are using, ma'am, here, and also stress assessment system.
Personal stress index algorithm we are using, ma'am.
Next question type.
Madhu,
Yes, sir.
if you feel anxiety or stress, first what will you
Yes, sir.
do?
First,
Self-assessment.
firstly, self-assessment is there, sir.
Just I
We
am
are asking
asking
some
you.
questions.
Okay. Just I am asking
Yes,
you.
sir.
First thing what you do.
I take first aid, sir, firstly.
Hmm. What step you are going
Then
to do?
stress level is, it gives some solutions for that, sir.
Yes, ma. I am generally asking. If you feel stress, what will
Generally,
supposed to
yes.
do?
We going to take pills or we consult the doctor, sir?
Right? They won't
Huh,
answer any questions like you are setting.
huh,
Correct, na?
sir. It's for higher education students, Rana, sir. So we implemented some questions, sir.
Yes, yes. That case I am asking you.
Huh, sir.
If you feel, what will you do?
Commonly, we will take pills or we consult the doctor, sir. As
Correct,
per
no?
the hackathon project, sir, yes, sir.
Yes, correct. Your idea is good.
Sir.
This is the current situation, no? You have to think
Sir.
over that.
But, uh,
Okay, carry on.
Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Which database you have used, Madhu, here? Since it shows the person's health related thing, how we are going to provide the security?
Ma'am, by making the login page, ma'am, we will implement in the future scope, ma'am. Um we implemented as basically we implemented the login page for security purpose, ma'am, because they were sharing the personal details and all, no, ma'am.
Yes,
We were
yes.
implemented, ma'am.
Right now, you didn't provide any security. Okay, what about the
Provided
scalability?
scalability. Uh, Ma'am, 60% we can provide scalability, ma'am.
Okay, next team.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next team, start the demo. Next team, start the demo.
Ma'am, can we start, ma'am?
Yes, you can start. Start the demo.
And ma'am, all of you, good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, today we are here for the Smart India Hackathon prototype presentation, ma'am. Our team members include Chanbaswa and Abhishek, Nitya and Raghunandan, Prashant, ma'am. Basically, we developed a project, ma'am, that includes the project, which includes the project some of the basic information, ma'am. The problem statement arises like, ma'am, the tourists have.
Switch to your demo part directly.
Okay.
Go for the demo. We know the idea. Go for the demo.
Okay.
As you can see, the digital ID of Ethereum or the blockchain is generated, using which we can log in into the page and we can
Chanbaswa, there is a network issue at your side.
use this map. Here it is the map. Yes. After using the blockchain ID, which is generated with minimal KYC, we can use the map where you can locate your entire plan of the tour using this map. After which the geofencing geofencing comes in work, where it will shows the all the safety areas, unsafe areas, and highlight the tourist spots which you can see and watch whenever you want. The SOS message is already available, through which whenever the tourist is in.
Show your functionality of your app.
Yes, sir. once the tourist enters, the offline alerts or the fallback also helps in the comes into work, where SMS messages and other things go to the context given by the tourist to the while verification. While verification, you can use those contacts and their SOS message is sent to them, and as well as the police department, which can become handy to help.
Your presentation is not visible. Show me the demo of your app.
So here you can use the map to locate whatever the tourist spots you want to visit. After which, whenever you are in emergency, you can press the SOS
Your
button.
slides are
But
not presenting.
yes, sir.
Your slides are not presenting here.
Sir, is it visible now, sir?
No.
Yes, it is visible. Sir, it is visible, sir.
No, ma'am. Just
So check now. Sir, is it visible now?
I didn't get to.
Is it visible, ma'am?
I can see the map.
Yes, ma'am. So you can we use this map to map your things, and using this SOS message, you can send the emergency alert to the app, using which the helping team will be arriving shortly. Like after you send the SOS message, the SOS message is sent to the now contacts you have given while registering, and the police team or the safety team of the app, using which they will help come into alert, and they will track your location and they help you. Whenever if the emergency is done, after which you can say I am safe. The SOS message stops. And this is the user ID interface where the ID reveals itself. Next, our teammates will continue the.
Are you using any smart contracts here?
Yes, ma'am.
For what? For what?
Automatic detail scan, ma'am. Where when we upload the Aadhaar card or the passport, it will get the ID, and it will attach it to the blockchain and create the ID.
Can you show me the smart contract?
The smart contract, I'm not getting where it is.
Okay, what is the scalability of your project?
Ma'am, we can scale up all over India. Right now, it is linked with the API of the Google Maps, using which you can travel all over India and plan all over India plans. You can also scalable. It is also scalable to whatever extent you need. Like worldwide, also you can scalable.
What is the efficiency of your project?
Unmute your mic.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes. Yes.
Sir, you can use it like uh, the government, and it is helpful for the government as well as the tourist when you newly arrived in the unknown places.
Okay, next team.
Thank you.
Where team ascendants? Where team ascendants? Hello everyone.
Yeah, you can start the demo.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second. So our project title is IoTrace. It is a blockchain platform where we can track the any Ayurveda herbs provenance. So this is our landing homepage where I can shop for products or I can become a provider. I can first log in. I can log in as a provider and or as a consumer. So first for verification, I should complete my registration. I should fill in these required details like organization name, my contact details, my name, and I should upload my license, any certificates and bank details. Then I should apply my geotagging data where I am growing my herbal product. So after this, it will show a preview about my details, and I can add my product here and create my harvest batches here. I made a sample batches here, and our documents will be our uploaded documents will be shown here. Then if I host a product before I sell my product, the thing is I want to increase the trust between me and the customer. So what I'll do, before supplying my product, I will generate a QR code. This QR code includes all of my information and my land's information about what processing and compliance I use, what techniques all I used, and what is my geo data. So this will generate a QR. If you scan this QR, it will show in a text format. You can scan this in uh, Google Lens, or you can scan this in our website only. When the customer receives, he can scan that QR here,
or we can also
upload here
QR image.
The following details will be shown here to the customer. Then this is our AI analyzer. This is specifically made for wildlife explorers. If they are exploring somewhere in the mountains, if they found any plant, they can upload a photo or take a photo of that plant and they can upload here. So this model is based on Gemini API. Yeah, he captured our photo. If I ask to analyze, it shows, but I cannot identify any herbs or plants in the provided image. So it has a very high accuracy, about 70 to 75% of accuracy. So let's upload another photo here. Well, upload that photo. No. You can upload any plant photo here. The analyzer will analyze and give the so its name is Parthenon histophorus. In our native language, we call it as Congress Gida. Let me just upload a real herbal product pic and analyze. So it will show that it is ashwagandha or Withania somnifera. It will show all the details related to that plant, about what it is used, how we can grow, and what are the things we should maintain while growing, and all.
In the backend, we can see here. After taking the image of the real world photos, here we have given some of the prompts, such as we need the common name and scientific name of that herb, and key identifying features, traditional use and medicinal properties, what are those herbs can provide, and growing conditions and habitat, how temperature it can survive, and for better analysis.
So Kumar, you can take from here and explain the blockchain backend.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Aspat. To carry on, I will share my screen now. Is my screen visible, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So you can see here I have already created a smart contract regarding the batch trackment of the product which we are selling, or which are purchasing. So this contract is basically between the farmer and the consumer. So I have built the smart contract using Solidity. You can check the smart contract wholly. So to start with, firstly I will connect my smart contract with the MetaMask. Then I will deploy it. So I've already taken 3 accounts. You can see here as an admin, farmer, and consumer. So admin is basically the owner, major one who starts the process and all. Farmer is one who grows it, and the consumer one is who takes the product from the farmer. So I will show the transaction between the farmer and the consumer. To start upon, I have chosen the admin. As I said, is the who will be starting all the transaction. So I will be deploying it. It will take us to MetaMask account. Then we'll be confirming our transaction. So we can get here a pop-up like transaction has been sure. Just a second. Transaction has been confirmed. You can also see the detailed analysis in here, ma'am. In the console section.
From which public key to which another public key the cash is going, or Ethereum transaction is being done.
So as I said, we need to register the consumer and farmer for the deployment of smart contracts. Now we will be registering the farmer. So we'll be shifting into farmer's account. Then you can see here we have a deployed contract section here. Open it. Here you will be getting a lot of functions where consumer and the farmer will be making transaction using these functions. So I will be registering the farmer now. Some name as like Kumar. Location I am from Karnataka. Contact info. So I have given the contact info. Then I will be translating. So registration also takes some of the gas fees due to blockchain technology backend framework. So I will be registering that. So transaction is completed after register. Similarly, we will be registering the consumer also. We will be shifting to consumer account. Then we will be click on registering consumer. Then confirm. So we'll be using Ganats for the Ethereum values. You can see the transactions here. We have created the contract. We have created the contract with the farmer. We have created the contract with the consumer also. So basically, the first admin account has been initiated the transaction with the same contract address. The farmer and the consumer also joined together. To move on, I'll be shifting back with the farmer section. So now I will be listing all my products here. Like I'll be sharing a Kesari product. What is Kesari? It is red in saffron in color. It is comes under hub sections. What is the price? You can fix a price for the what product. So I will be fixing like some 15,000 way, because one way is equal to 10 power 18. One Ethereum is equal to 10 power 18 way. So I will be fixing some around 15 Ethereum. I have quantity of 100, minimum order of
Kumar, I need a clarification here.
Sure, ma'am.
You are creating a contract between the farmer and a consumer, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So this is direct means. What I'm asking is there will be no bidding between the customers.
No, ma'am. As per there will be no bidding. As you know that blockchain cannot be tampered or cannot be altered with the prefixed values. So there will be no bidding of transaction, ma'am. The fixed rate will
Oh
be.
no, I'm not talking about that. If the same product, if there are so many customers who want the same product,
Okay.
so if there is any bidding option between the customer to buy that product from the uh, producer,
There won't be any
such
bid,
pattern.
ma'am. There won't be any bidding options because it is
Uh,
an openly deployed, so everyone can access the availability of the product will be shown on the page that such and such product is available at this time at this quantity. So if the product is over, the farmer profile will be offline till the farmer uploads a new products for selling.
As you know, to add on, ma'am, as you know that blockchain does not support any third-party bidding technology where one can raise the product, ma'am. The product will be raised as of the quantity. So the prices are fixed, ma'am. The prices can be varied only by the owner or the one who selling the products.
It's not like a bidding.
can you connect any other software to this blockchain where the bidding option can be done and the customer who get finalized can buy this on the blockchain?
Yeah, they can buy
Can I
this
take
on
some,
the.
Kumar? Ma'am, actually, this platform we are building, the problem statement was given by the government. So the bidding option, integrating the bidding option will not be that good idea, because we need to sell those goods in a genuine way, because those are medicines. We cannot sell them like in a bidding way. That is
Yeah, those are medicines. Yeah, I know. If so many pharmaceutical companies want the same thing, that will give the good price for the farmer, right?
It will be like similar to black market, ma'am. So
Yeah.
to stop that, we'll be we'll be protecting more number of products, ma'am. Like we'll be increase the sales, we'll be increase our quantity of the product, then we'll share to each one of them, ma'am, at the same price itself. Because one has more money or someone has less money, but the both the need is same.
So like main point of Ethereum is that it cannot be monetized by someone having more money. So you cannot like bid higher for getting higher products. Ethereum is based on, if you cannot bid in Ethereum basically. Ethereum is made for not bidding any money or something like that. It is based on fixed price and communication between customer and producer.
Okay, okay.
You can see
So
here,
what is the scalability?
Scalability margin is around on a scale of 1 to 10 it is 8, because we are running currently on testnet. If we go for
Mainnet.
mainnet of Ethereum, it might go for 8 to 8.5 or 9 as the
Okay,
security
okay.
increases. As you might come up with a question that you are all doing in same wallet, farmer, consumer, because it is running on
Yes,
testnets.
yes.
That was the clarification
Okay,
for us.
okay, okay, okay.
can we proceed, ma'am? I need to show two transactions.
Yes, yes, okay. Yeah, you can go.
Maximum okay. To continue with, I have a quantity of 100. Minimum order can be 1, maximum order will be little bit 10. A fixed price pool is false because the fixed price pool will be given by the owner or the one who sells the product. So we cannot fix the price.
So, as you can see, we can fix the maximum order a person can do. You cannot abidely buy abundant amount of product from a same farmer. So it will be available for everyone.
So I'll give some hash numbers for the clarification or what will we say like genuine product for tracking purpose. Then I'll take the transact. So from the farmer side, it will be done everywhere. As of so the transaction will be succeeded. So yeah, that's it. So I'll shift to the consumer now. As of consumer, I will be buying this product. So in the place order product, my product ID is 1. I need a quantity of 2. Where to deliver? I need to deliver to this address at 9 a.m. Please deliver this. So you can see that we have price unit of 15 this, ma'am.
15 way.
15 way we have price unit. So we have ordered the quantity of 2. So the price unit will be 30. So we'll be copying this. We'll be adding our value here and we'll double it. 15 goes to 30. So this will be our actual value which will be paid by the consumer to the farmer via the smart contract. So to transact, it will take to the contract either. You can see here, ma'am, the amount is 0.00003. If you confirm, you will get a notification that the transaction has been completed.
When will the amount get transferred from customer to the producer?
When the delivery, when the consumer accepts the delivery and says to the delivery partner that we have received the package, so confirmation of smart contract will be done. So amount will be transferred to
How we are giving the input to the smart contract?
this part is the backend. We have integrated front end that part. So major part was to show backend how it will work. You might think, jury might think this is too much complicated, but this was the backend part. The farmer can like
Just
interact.
use the UI.
What, ma'am?
They can just
Yeah,
input
yeah,
the
like
data from the UI.
it's something like one click. If they click on that they have delivered, they will get. This was the backend part,
Yeah,
important part.
as you said, it
Okay.
is only based on UI. It will be more easier to operate. So you can see that the amount has been deducted from the consumer, like minus 0.003 amount. So if I shift
Okay.
to
Okay.
farmer account, then I will be accepting all these orders. I shift to farmer's account. I will confirm my order. Then I will be shipping my order. As you can see here also, ma'am, the Ethereum smart contract balance is of you can see here the Ethereum smart contract balance is of 003. So the smart contract has the amount of the consumer who is already paid the amount. It needs to be transferred to the farmer. It is transferred when the product will be delivered. So I
What is
have
the originality of your code? How much it is AI generated?
Smart contract we have written by our hand through hit and trial. Other things like you and other things are AI generated. The originality of our smart contract is done by us only.
Okay, okay.
So to finish this off, I will be delivering the product. So product is delivered. You can see that product has been delivered. So the platform get amount of some extra gas fee charges. After delivering the product, the farmer can take his money from the withdraw earning. He has been delivered this product. Now he needs to get paid by the smart contract. He will take the money. Confirm. So the farmer will be getting paid. Can you
Okay, okay. Sir, okay. Kumar, it's okay. Implementation part is okay. Go for the application or UI.
sure, ma'am.
Sir Manjuna, sir Shivu, sir, if you have any questions, you can ask. As from my part, I have asked all the questions. You can ask, sir.
From my side, there is no questions.
To finish it off, we will be withdrawing all the remaining balance amount to the admin's account. One who started the process. So it will be like some percentage of money for conducting the smart contract.
So
Okay.
come back to UI.
Sure, ma'am. Ashpat, you can take over.
So coming back to UI, so this is our landing homepage. So as a consumer, we can shop here, or we can become a provider where I sell my herbal products.
Okay. Sir Manjuna, sir, any questions, sir? So this is the last batch, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Still there are
Yes,
any
ma'am.
batches
No,
left?
ma'am.
No,
We are the last batch.
we are the last batch.
Okay. Okay. Then we will wind up.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay.
So, ma'am,
Thank you.
the result, ma'am. When will be announcing the result, ma'am?
We will share our marks now within 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll get the marks from all the judges and I will average it and I will finalize and I will send you back within now the time is 2 o'clock. Within 3 o'clock, I will finalize the marks.
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
just a second.
Um,
Other participants are requested to leave the meeting now.